Hi, so welcome to another short vlog from me today, Laura O'Hara of 3. I'm just going to do a little vlog of David Walliams land in Alton Towers Resort. So it's a very popular land this. It's not been open very long. It has 3 rides altogether. It has the Royal Carousel, Gangster Granny, Raj's Bottom Burp and Raj's Shop. So as we come in, you have some kind of drinks machines and snack machines there, and Raj is sort of a little photo opportunity for Gangster Granny. And then on the left hand side is the Royal Carousel. So it's really cute. It has little horses, little kind of carriages and carousel things on it. It's really, really lovely. Then it comes into Flavio's. Now, I thought originally that Flavio's was this building. It's not. This is just a kind of a disused building, and they've put Flavio's here. So it's a little bit like a fairground ride. So it kind of spins round, has lights on it, has music. That's the ride access pass entrance to it there, and this is the queuing system for it here. So it's Flavio's Fabulous Fandango. Must be a minimum of 1.2 meters to ride, and then there's some of the information. I will check actually what the carousel says about riding, because I'm not sure what the requirements for the carousel is. Oh, so they've got ride access pass entrance for the carousel is here. So children under 1.3 must be accompanied by an adult. So if you're over 1.3, you can come on your own. Under 1.3, you're going to need an adult. It looks like Ant's going to go on with Matilda. So that was the carousel and Raj's. There is like quite a few like nice little benches around here as well. This is like a nice soft floor. I love all like the theming, so like this is really nice, like the books with the light up here. It's really well done, really clever the way they've done it. And then just it is a shame that like all these buildings are just disused buildings. This used to be like a 4D theatre behind here. It's a shame they've not incorporated something like that into it. Then here is where they have Raj's Bottom Burp. So the ride access pass entrance is down this lane. The queue system is down that one. And riders of 0.9 or above, riders must be 0.9 or above, and between 0.9 metres and 1.1 you must be accompanied by an adult. Anybody over 1.1 can ride by themselves. So riders over 1.4 must sit on the end of the seats. I think it's like to balance it out a little bit, you have to sit on the end, so adults generally have to sit on the end, younger children in the middle. And this is Raj's Bottom Burp here. So you've got like Bottom Burp, Windy Pants, Parpy Bum, Squeaky something. I can't remember the names now because... Oh yeah, Windy Bum Bum, Squeaky Bum. So it's basically like a frog hopper that just goes up and down, up and down. It's not very big. And this isn't really in keeping with it, but this is called Cuckoo's Driving School. So this has been here for years, but they've kind of kept it where it was there. And then this is Gangster Granny, the ride. So this is the Crown Jewels Tour, Gangster Granny. So the queue system starts here, and the ride access pass and the fast track for this starts just down the other side there. So this is like a motion ride where you sit in a carriage and it goes round. So riders must be at least 0.9 to ride. Between 0.9 and 1.2 you need an adult who's over 16, and if you're over 1.2 you are able to ride by yourself. Like I said, it is a nice little ride. I'll quickly look at the Cuckoo School, but it's not really kind of part of David Walliams land, it's kind of its own thing. So this is the Cuckoo School. So drivers must be 1 metre to 1.4 tall to ride. So if you're not 1, you can't ride. If you're over 1.4, you can't ride either. So the queuing system is just through that door there into the building, or the ride access pass queuing system is just there. And it's basically these little cars that you see here. Children just sit on the cars and just kind of drive themselves around the little road. You can go over this bridge here and come out down there. That's another separate like entrance and exit into this kind of land, and then you can come across into David Walliams land this way if you wanted to. They have little kind of pay £1 for a wheel to drive the cars around, and sometimes they have here what's called Cuckoo driving licenses, where you can have like your child's photo to say they've got a driving license for driving the car. And then these are the little kind of cars that cost £1 to drive round, so you just have to put your £1 in the machine and push them around. And obviously they have a change machine, but no credit cards or bank cards can go in it, so you'd be a bit stuck if you don't actually have change. Then just next to Gangster Granny, which is also the exit, so you exit Gangster Granny into Raj's shop. So Raj's shop is just here, so it's on Wallybum's Way, it's called. And it's basically really funny because it has like loads of things. So they're like, buy your fun sweets 2 for 1, buy 2, then buy 4 and get 1 full price. And then they've got loads of different things in here relating to the books and things. So they've got like local dentist and demon dentist. I don't know what else they've got. They've got loads of things. They've got to see the Mammosaurus, I was gonna say. But all different kind of thing, you know, Taj Mahal, Doom and Sons I noticed as well, which is actually from Emily Alton. So Doom and Sons is actually where it shows Emily Alton. It's the funeral services for, which I think is quite funny that says Doom and Sons. Hello.
Someone's videoing off. It must be a screen call for me.
So we've got, what have we got in here? So we've got toys and things, all Gangster Granny kind of things, swag, adult swag jumpers, cups, swag bags. They're quite cute, not new, but then says new. They're quite nice though, actually, I like those. Oh, these are quite nice. Little swag pins, umbrellas, t-shirts, Raj's special, Gangster Granny pyjamas, was 18, now 14. Swag bag, bookmarks. Oh, Matilda's not seen that. She loves those little globe things, they're cute. So basically you can see it's full of different kind of bits of stuff, card games. They have all the books as well, jigsaws, all different little like knickknacks and things. Oh, bookmarks aren't bad, £3.50 for a bookmark. Magnetic set, water bottles, got some t-shirts with juice socks. These are cute. Number 1 jewel thief. That's funny. And they've got like an inflatable Zimmer frame and knitting kits, all like little knickknacks. And then this is where you come out of Gangster Granny the ride. So once you've been on the ride, you come out here and you can have your photo taken against the mugshot wall there. So they've still got like different snacks and stuff in here, ice creams, little tubs of stuff, ponchos, sweets and things like that inside. Chocolates and bits of stuff. So let's go and see where they've got up to.
You'll be on film.
That is it. It's Raj's shop. Raj likes to come out and stuff every now and again. Sometimes you get them coming out in like the... She's been on it twice. She's telling me now on Raj's bottom burp. Oh yeah, you can see how it works now. They come out like in the full like Tower Guard uniform. So here goes Raj's bottom burp. There we go. So you can see, so it's bottom burp, windy pot, belly burp, harpy pants, squeaky bum, windy bum bum. And it trumps as well, it really does trump. So that's there. If you look over there now, you can see Flavio is going round like that. It does get faster. And the carousel's just there. So that is going to end our little tour of David Walliams land at Alton Towers in the UK. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and give us a little comment below. I've been Laura from Ohana Film Free, and thank you, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.